Just look at this channel. It uploaded only 40 videos and is already making around $5,000 per month. Is that really possible? Yes, it is. This AI niche is going viral right now, and many people want to create these kinds of videos. But most creators struggle because of wrong prompts, inconsistent characters, poor dialogues, and weak story creation. On top of that, many people cannot afford expensive AI tools or monthly subscriptions. But don't worry, we are working day and night to make this easier for you. My goal is to help you create amazing AI videos without wasting your time, energy, or money. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, I'll show you how to create consistent characters, write powerful prompts, generate cinematic scenes, and make engaging videos that people love to watch. So don't give up on your AI content journey. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's create something amazing together and turn your ideas into viral videos. Now let's jump into ChatGPT and generate our complete vegetable story. I know many people struggle when it comes to writing prompts. Most creators don't know how to create a full story, maintain character consistency, write image prompts, generate animation prompts, or create realistic character dialogues. But don't worry, I've already solved that problem for you. I created a powerful master prompt that can automatically generate a complete 10-scene vegetable story with consistent characters from beginning to end. Your job is simple. Just copy the prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because it motivates me to keep creating more valuable content for you. Now here's the exciting part. As soon as you paste the prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate 10 complete scenes. Each scene includes a professional image prompt, a cinematic video animation prompt, and realistic character dialogues. The story follows a complete structure with an introduction, conflict, emotional moments, climax, problem solving, and a satisfying ending. And the best part? All characters remain consistent throughout the entire story. No character changing issues, no dialogue problems, no prompt confusion. Everything is generated in a professional format, ready for image generation and animation. This is exactly the type of content that is performing extremely well right now. But here's something most people don't realize. If your prompt is weak, your story will be weak. Your characters will look different in every scene, your videos won't feel connected, and your audience will lose interest. That's why a powerful prompt is the foundation of every successful AI video. So, stop wasting time trying random prompts. Use a proven system. Generate your story in minutes. And focus on creating amazing content. Stay consistent, keep improving, and take advantage of this growing AI trend. Because with the right prompt and the right workflow, creating viral AI stories becomes much easier. Now let's come to the website. The website name is Digin AI, and the reason I use this website is because it's totally free. Some people might think I'm joking, but no man, I'm serious. Just watch this video till the end because I'll guide you step by step on how to use this website completely free. This platform has many powerful AI tools like Seedream, Nano Banana, AI image generators, AI video tools, character consistency tools, story generation tools, and many more. You can create full fruit and vegetable stories, cinematic animated scenes, character consistent story images, image prompts, video prompts, and even complete story-based videos all in one place. Most people are spending hundreds of dollars on expensive tools, while this website already provides amazing features for free. So don't skip this video, because I'll show you how smart creators are using these AI tools to create viral fruit and vegetable story videos and grow their channels fast. Now first, come into the login section. Here you don't even need your personal Gmail account. Just open any temporary email website, copy any random email, and come back to the sign up option. Paste the email there. It will ask for an OTP verification code. Simply go back to the temp email inbox, copy the OTP code, paste it here, and done. Your free credit plan is activated. You also receive daily free credits. And when you first sign up, you get around 280 credits, which is honestly enough to generate many AI images and videos. Now first, let's start with images. Click on the image section and generate your images from here. There are many AI models available, but honestly, Flux and Image Motion are the most interesting ones. Just copy any image prompt from your fruit or vegetable story and paste it here. The result quality, generation speed, lighting, background, and character consistency are absolutely amazing. According to the prompt, the character gets generated perfectly. The background looks cinematic, and the lighting feels like a professional animated movie scene. Honestly, everything looks very polished and high quality. And the best thing is, you don't even need Nano Banana or any other expensive tool because this platform is already giving amazing results completely free. It only takes a small amount of credits, not too much, and you can generate incredible cinematic story images easily. I tested this tool many times with different fruit story prompts, vegetable story prompts, and different character styles, and every single time the results were totally awesome. The character consistency is especially insane. Most AI tools struggle to keep the same character face, clothes, and style, but this tool handles it surprisingly well. There are also many other tools available inside the platform like Nano Banana and more. But honestly, this tool gives much better consistency for fruit and vegetable storytelling and animated characters. You also get daily free credits, which are honestly enough to generate a huge number of images regularly. So don't worry too much about the image generation part. Everything you need for fruit and vegetable story content creation is basically available in one place. Now we successfully completed the image part, but now it's time to create the real magic. Yes, the magic of AI video generation. Most people think creating high-quality animated fruit and vegetable story videos for free is impossible, right? But don't worry, man. This tool makes it super easy. Just come to the main page and first select the image that you want to turn into a video. Upload the image, then copy the video prompt from ChatGPT. Make sure you copy the video prompt, not the image prompt, because the AI generates the motion, camera movement, and animation according to the video instructions. Now simply paste the prompt. You don't need to change complicated settings or do anything technical. Just click on Generate. There are many video models available, but honestly, I recommend selecting the first one, Turbo 3.1. This model is absolutely insane because it can generate video, audio, visual effects, background music, cinematic motion, atmosphere, all together automatically, and the craziest part? It doesn't even take much time.
What a beautiful morning in our village.
Everyone looks so happy today.
It only takes around 1 minute to generate the full video with audio included. Just look at the generation time. Only 1 minute after that, check the result. Oh my god, the quality looks amazing. The motion feels smooth, the background music matches perfectly, the cinematic camera movement looks professional, and everything feels like a real animated fruit and vegetable movie scene. I tried another one again, I uploaded another image, pasted another video prompt, and once again the result looked awesome. The animation, quality, transitions, sound, and cinematic feel were all super smooth. You can even check my credits. I generated many images and videos, but surprisingly it didn't consume too many credit.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too. I think we're a wonderful team.
Friendship makes every challenge.
I'm glad we met today.
It only takes a small amount of credits while giving extremely high quality results. I tested this tool many times, and honestly every single time I was happy with the output. So if you want to create viral fruit and vegetable story videos, cinematic animations, emotional storytelling content, or character-consistent animated stories, then you should definitely try this tool. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your amazing support and your valuable time.